is Dr. Clarice Chan. Welcome to Clarity Wellness Chiropractic. What we really believe here is that your spine plays a huge impact on your overall health, not only with your posture, but on what's called your nervous system. So what we've been able to see here in the office through the care that patients have received is healing in a lot of different areas, including neck pain, migraines, back pain, all different types of health conditions. And so when you come into the office as a new patient, first area that you would see here is our reception area where you take a seat. And right on over here, this is what's called our hot seat area. So this is where patients will wait in terms of their adjustment. Over here, this is one of our examination rooms. In this area here, we actually have a digital x-ray machine on site. So this is to provide convenience for any further testing that we need to do. So yeah, thank you so much for coming. Make sure that you take advantage of the Save72 coupon because we are looking so forward to serving you and your family and getting your health back on track.